You're probably one of those people right now who are scouring the internet for a beginner-friendly, money-making method online. Worry no more. If you want to learn how to earn $10 a day, then keep watching this video because that's exactly what I'll be teaching you. In this one, I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can use together to literally make money online just by watching some video ads. Now guys, this might not gonna make you insanely rich, but it is a great way to start making money online today, which you can then use to invest into bigger and better things. Now I'm really excited to show you this method today. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to all your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's get right into the video. This is going to be a pretty quick video, but I would like you to pay very close attention to this, okay? We don't want to miss out all the important details on this video unless you want to get confused on the process. We don't want that to happen, now don't we? So just pay close attention and watch the whole video. I'm going to make it as quick and clear as possible. So here we go. The first website is called AddWallet. And as you can see, they will pay you to watch some videos. Brands want your attention, make them buy it, get rewarded for watching videos, and completing online surveys from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus, you can unlock some exclusive offers as well. They do have a video right here, which I would recommend you watch. It's not very long, it's about 1 minute and 17 seconds long. Definitely worth watching. It's a pretty and well-animated video. I highly recommend you watch this just to get the most information possible. I'm not going to show it in this video due to the copyrights, but yeah, you guys can come to the website addwallet.com and watch it for yourself. And then, if when you're ready, just click sign up and you can go ahead and start doing this. So it's very simple. You watch a video, you'll receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video handpicked just for you. Here's how you can earn. Answer a related question, take a short survey, or reveal your email. Here's how you get paid. You'll earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for your full attention. And make more money, earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Plus, download offers from brands you love. So there's a lot of different ways that you can actually use to make money on here. The first way is just by watching the video ads. Once the ad is over, you will then get a few questions to answer about the ad. Once you've answered those, you'll get even more money by taking surveys. If you reveal your email address to the company as well, you earn even more money. And every time you refer a friend to this website, you will earn even more money. And once you reach $10, you can then cash out in paper money, gift vouchers, transfer to a bank. You can donate to charity if you want to. It is entirely up to you. So it's a pretty big website, guys. They pay out $1,032,000 and counting to their members in their first 12 months, which is pretty big. And yeah, they're doing very well for themselves, and there's a lot of people on here making a lot of money. So they do have a FAQ as well, or FAQ. There's answers right here to any questions you might have. So again, come to the website and go through this yourself. Look at the questions, and you will find the answer you're looking for. So that's the first website I want to show you. But like I said, I'm going to show you 2 different methods in this video, so keep watching for a moment. Let me show you one more way which I really like, which is basically like a passive income. So the next app right here, this is called Slidejoy. And this one I really like because it's on your smartphone. By the way, this app is available in Google Play Store, also works in both Android and iOS. This is how it works. Like every time you unlock your phone, you will see small images just like these. These little images are ads, or what they call as cards. And every time one does pop up, which is every time you unlock your phone, you can earn money. You can earn even more money by interacting with the ad. So you've got 3 different choices. You can slide left to get more info about the card, or you can slide up to see another card if you're not interested in the ad, or you can slide right if you're in a rush to go to your home screen. Slide left is the best one because if you get more info about the card, you can earn even more money. They're going to take you to the ad website and they will promote and sell their products to you, but you don't have to buy or purchase anything. And like I said, if you don't like the ad they've shown you, just slide up. Keep sliding up until you find one you're interested in. Open up that one, have a look at it. If you don't like it, don't worry. Close your phone and have a look in a minute or another minute. Afterwards, see what other ads you get. So that's pretty much all there is to do. Very simple methods for you today. But there are a lot of great ways to start making money online. Like I said at the start, they're not gonna make you rich, but this is a good method to have extra cash on the side. Start small, build it up. And this is a great way to start small, just watch some ads. You can do it on your smartphone, tablet, or your computer, anything you want, any device you have. But I would recommend combining it with Slidejoy. So every time you open up AddWallet on your phone, you'll unlock the phone. Then you can slide some cards or ads from Slidejoy before opening AddWallet. It is really a nice way to make a little bit of extra money online. And that is all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.